Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. And today's Friday, October 22nd, 2021. And it is 4:00 and 27 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, childhood development. So let's hop to it here. And spending time in nature promotes early childhood development. Date October 21st, 2021. Source University of British Columbia. Want to ensure your child hits their expected developmental milestones? New research suggests living in areas with high exposure to green space can help set them up for success. For the study, researchers analyzed the developmental scores of 27,372 children in Metro Vancouver who attended kindergarten between 2005 and 2011. Researchers estimated the amount of green space around each child's residence from birth to age 5. They also assessed levels of traffic, related air pollution, and community noise. The results highlight the fundamental importance of natural green spaces, like street trees, parks, and community gardens. Most of the children were doing well in their development in terms of language skills, cognitive capacity, socialization, and other outcomes. But what is interesting is that those children living in a residential location with more vegetation and richer natural environments showed better overall development than their peers with less green space. According to the researchers, the reason for this partly green space's ability to reduce the harmful effects of air pollution and noise. Environmental challenges that have been shown to adversely affect children's health and development through increased stress, sleep disturbances, and central nervous system damage. Few studies have investigated this pathway linking greenhouse space and developmental outcomes among children, and researchers believe this is the first Canadian study to do so. The researchers assessed early childhood development using the Early Childhood Development Instrument, a survey completed by kindergarten teachers for each child. The tool measures a child's ability to meet age-appropriate developmental expectations. More research is needed, but the research findings suggest that urban planning efforts to increase green space in residential neighborhoods and around schools are beneficial for early childhood development, with potential health benefits throughout life. And time in nature can benefit everyone, but if we want our children to have a good head start, it is important to provide an enriching environment through nature contact. Access to green space from a very young age can help ensure good social, emotional, and mental development among children. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.